Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. Okay, so you're looking at the Glerc 20, 24, or 26-inch kids mountain bike, and you're wondering if it's going to be a hit or a miss for your child. This bike claims to be a versatile option for ages 6 and up, but does it live up to the hype, especially with those 21 speeds and front suspension? Let's find out if this is the ride your kid has been dreaming of, or just another bike that'll end up collecting dust. This is the Glerc Skyline bicycle, a mountain bike designed for kids typically aged 6 and older, depending on the chosen wheel size, 20, 24, or 26 inches. Glerc aims to offer a robust, multi-gear option for young riders looking for a bit more adventure than a basic single-speed. It features a front suspension fork and disc brakes, intended to provide a smoother and safer ride on varied terrain, from paved paths to light trails. The standout feature here is definitely the 21-speed drivetrain. This means your child can learn to shift gears, making hills less daunting and flats more enjoyable. It's a huge step up from single-speed bikes and really helps them tackle different inclines. Next up is the front suspension fork. For kids who are graduating to more trail-like riding or just bouncing over curbs, this absorbs a lot of the shock. It translates to a more comfortable ride and better control, preventing jarring bumps from throwing them off balance. Then there are the disc brakes. These are generally more powerful and consistent than traditional V-brakes, especially in wet conditions. This is a critical safety feature for a kid's bike, giving parents peace of mind. Finally, the availability of 3 different wheel sizes, 20, 24, and 26 inches, is a major plus. It means you can get a bike that truly fits your child's current height and will grow with them for a bit longer, ensuring a comfortable and safe riding position. This bike is perfect for the adventurous child who's outgrown their starter bike and is ready for more. If your kid loves exploring parks, bike paths, or even gentle off-road trails, the Glerc Skyline is a strong contender. It's also ideal for parents who want their child to learn the basics of gear shifting and gain confidence on a more capable machine. If you have multiple children of varying ages within the 6+ range, the different wheel sizes make it possible to get a suitable fit for each of them. The biggest potential downside is the weight. For a kid's bike, especially one with front suspension and disc brakes, it can be a bit heavier than simpler models. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.